Okay, we're ready to leave. You ain't gonna believe this. The attacking bird. We gotta get in the car. Come on, wants to go with. The bird wants to go with us, sweetie.
I know.
Yeah, you want to go with? Roll the window down.
No, no, no.
Come on.
No.
You can ride with us. Attacking birds. You gotta have knife wear when you live out here. You know what I mean? You gotta have guns. You got attacking birds. Attacking birds. Look at.
Oh my gosh. That's too funny.
Well, that's weird. I think it sees a reflection of itself. Now it's really in for a fight. Okay, that was our update. Bye.